Hi everybody, Ms. Cahill here. In this video tutorial, I'm going to give you a tour of the Canvas website, which is the Learning Management System, or LMS, that we use at Verona Area High School. On your iPad, there should be an icon that looks like the one that I currently have highlighted, this red icon with the white logo. Sometimes it shows up inverted, meaning that the icon is white and the logo is red, but you should look for something with this pattern. When you select that, it's actually going to open up Safari, and it's going to open up the Canvas website. It should bring you to your dashboard, which is where all of your courses are located. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my English 2 course. Since I'm a teacher, it looks a little bit different for me, so what I'm going to do is turn on student view so that it looks as close to what you'll see as possible. So if you open up your English 2 class, you're going to see a page that looks like this. There's a header. That blue box is actually an audio introduction from me. If you press it,
Welcome everyone.
It will turn into an audio play thing, and it will play the audio. Underneath, you'll see My Bitmoji Classroom, and underneath the Bitmoji Classroom, you'll see some other valuable links. This is the homepage for my English 2 class, and your teacher will have a different homepage set up depending on how they want their class to be set up. Oftentimes, teachers will organize their content in modules. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the space, not all the way to the left, but close to the left, and you'll see that the second link down says modules. If you select that, you can see all of the content for my English 2 class. And the way I have it organized is by unit or function. So Welcome to English 2, in my case, has just some organizational paperwork. I have a Unit 1 module, which is all about narrative writing. And I have a technology tutorials module that just gives tips and tricks for how to use different technology tools. I want to draw your attention to some different icons. So let's use the Welcome to English 2 module as an example. You can see that in the very first item in the module, it's just a piece of text that says information. That's just a way of breaking up the module. Underneath, you'll see that it says Home, English 2 landing page. And the icon next to it looks like a piece of paper with the corner folded down. That just means it's a page with information on it. We'll look at another page, the standard operating procedures for English 2. If we click on that, it will bring you to an informational page. You see an audio explanation box.
On this page,
where I explain what the page is all about. And on this case, the page is tabbed. Not a lot of teachers will do this. I do this because I enjoy having the different setups, but you can select the different tabs by pressing the different items, and it will put different content on the page each time. So I'm going to go back to modules to show you a few other things. Underneath standard operating procedures, you'll see an item that says Brainstorm, Class Inclusion, and the icon next to that looks like a little notebook with a pencil next to it. When you see that, you know that it is an assignment. If you select that, you'll notice at the top it says Submit Assignment. That means that there's something you're expected to do. If it says Submit Assignment, that means you have something to submit. There's a separate tutorial on how to submit assignments that I will link on this Canvas page. There are also unique icons for things like discussions and quizzes. The quiz looks like a rocket ship, and the discussion looks like two little like text message boxes. I don't have those on here yet because it's early in the school year, but I could potentially have them sometime in the future. And that's how you can navigate the different modules. A lot of the time your teacher will organize them based on the order that they want you to see it in, or in the order that they happen. It really depends on how your teacher likes to organize things. If you just want to look up an assignment, you can go to Assignments, and you can actually search the assignment. So I know I needed to do an exit ticket. So if I type in exit ticket, all of the different exit tickets come up. And that way I know, okay, that's an assignment I'm supposed to do. And then you can select the one you're looking for. The most important thing for you this year on Canvas in a digital environment is going to be the calendar. So in my case, because I teach 2 sections of English 2 this quarter, I can see my 2 English 2 classes on here. You'll be able to see not only your class agenda, but also all of your assignments and their due dates. You want to check the agenda every single day to see what you have going on. So let's say I wanted to check today's agenda. Today is September 11th. I can select English 2, day 4, because that's the 4th day of class. And I want to be able to make this page bigger. So I'm going to click on the very, very top of this box that just popped up, where it says English 2, day 4. And here you can see the whole lesson for the day and everything that you're going to be responsible for that day. Remember, synchronous content is stuff we do together, so that's what we're going to do when we have our class meeting on Zoom. The asynchronous content is going to be the stuff that you do on your own, so that's going to be either when we finish our meeting or on your own time. All of this is stuff that you should look at on the day. So since this is the agenda for September 11th, you need to look at every single item on here. You can find the Zoom link, the goals for the day, synchronous and asynchronous content, the exit ticket, which you should do every day, past due assignments, so things that were due previously that you should try to catch up on if you missed them, and upcoming assignments, so things that you should be looking to complete soon because it's going to be due soon. And now I'm back on my English 2 homepage. That's how you utilize the Canvas page. As always, if you have any questions, you can email your instructor about how best to use this website. Bye!